All right. John the Diesel Man back here, the legendary nydiesels.com. This is why we're the best, and this is why we're famous, and this is why you come to us if you want a truck with no problems, because we give you a truck that has almost new everything. This right here is the engine to Caitlin, 12 valve, okay, Cummins, 12 valve, and she's going to the machine shop. There's the NV4500. She's going to get all redone, all new synchros and everything. Serious updated 5th gear nut, new clutch, turn flywheel, everything. This is what we do. We break these motors down. That's what we do. We pull them out, we put them up here, we tear them down. The head's going to be completely reconditioned, all new parts in it, and here we go. You know what I mean? This is what we do. So we're super organized and right by the book, and when this engine comes back, it'll be just like new. And that's what you're paying for. So when you get a truck, you're getting way more of a discount with us than you could imagine, because it would cost you 50, 60 G's to do a truck the way that we do our trucks. So if you want a truck that has a like new engine in it, new drivetrain, tires, paint, everything, you come to nydiesels.com, and that's why you come to us. It's funny because everything I preach about and explain, it happens, people go through those things. And what I mean by that is, like, for example, if you go to my video, Noel, on YouTube, there's a guy there that says, geez, John, I wish I would have got a truck from you because I just paid $15,000 in repairs on my truck, rust, problems, this, that, and the third. Trust me, you do not want to get a truck that you got to put a motor in, a transmission, pumps, new tires, this, that, rust, everything else. If you realize and add up all the repairs that you will pay over the next 5 years on a truck that you buy off of wherever you get it from, you will beg and wish that you could undo it and buy a truck from John the Diesel Man. My customers don't have problems. They get like new engines, and you'll see when this engine goes back together, all brand new gaskets, all new everything. You're not going to have oil leaks. And certainly do not buy a truck off somebody that is probably a young person, because most likely they drive it and beat on it and all that stuff too. So it just depends what you're looking for, man. Very proud of my guys. This is what we do at nydiesels.com. We make second-gen Cummins diesel trucks like new so that my customers won't have any problems. 607-423-7729 or John at nydiesels.com. Thanks for coming by. Stay tuned. We'll show you when this goes back together and all the rest of the components to that beautiful 97 Western 12-valve Cummins Club Cab, 8-foot bed, 4-wheel drive, 5-speed manual truck from out west named Caitlin. It's on my website. You can buy it now. The drivetrain's almost done, and it's all yours. nydiesels.com, the only name in the game and the originator of making second-gen Cummins diesel trucks famous. And John the Diesel Man, the legend, the first person in history to shoot lengthy, in detail videos when selling trucks on any video platform, and started on YouTube. Thank you to everybody. I changed the game, and you will change the game and upgrade your game and elevate your game if you get a truck from us. Thank you.